Welcome, everyone. I'm so glad you're here today. We're diving into a powerful concept that can transform our lives, replacing fear with faith. Fear is a natural part of being human. It's that instinctive response that keeps us alert and safe. But when fear starts to dictate our choices, it can hold us back from reaching our true potential. Imagine standing at the edge of a vast ocean, the waves crashing against the shore. You can either let the fear of the unknown keep you on dry land, or you can take a leap of faith and dive into the depths of possibility. Faith is not just a belief. It's a powerful force that propels us forward. It's the unwavering trust in ourselves and in the journey we're on. When we replace fear with faith, we open ourselves up to new experiences, opportunities, and growth. Think about the times in your life when you faced challenges. What if you had chosen faith over fear? What if you had trusted that you had the strength to overcome obstacles? Let's take a moment to reflect on the stories of those who have triumphed against the odds. They didn't let fear paralyze them. Instead, they embraced their faith. Whether it was a personal struggle, a career change, or a leap into the unknown, they chose to believe in their capabilities. And that belief fueled their journey, transforming their fears into stepping stones towards success. Now, I want you to consider your own life. What fears are holding you back? Is it the fear of failure, rejection, or the unknown? Acknowledge those fears, but don't let them define you. Instead, replace them with faith. Faith in your abilities, faith in your dreams, and faith in the process. Every time you feel that familiar grip of fear, remind yourself that you have the power to choose. You can choose to trust in your journey, to believe that every setback is a setup for a comeback. When you shift your mindset from fear to faith, you'll find that the world opens up in ways you never imagined. So let's take this journey together. Let's commit to replacing fear with faith in our daily lives. Let's support one another in this transformation, encouraging each other to take those bold steps forward. Remember, you are not alone in this. We are all in this together, and together we can create a community that thrives on faith, resilience, and hope. Thank you for being here today and for taking the time to reflect on this important message. If you found this inspiring, I invite you to follow along for more uplifting content. Let's continue to grow and uplift each other as we replace fear with faith and embrace the beautiful journey ahead.